Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
I got this friend's request today from one young Indian boy. Okay, young Indian boy, you can make out he's young. On the Facebook cover page, it's written how to earn from $0 to $10,000 per month. Okay, how you can upscale your business or how you can earn. And based in India, if you're based in India, $10,000 a month is not chump change. It's a good amount of money. So obviously, when I checked his profile and I saw he's part of ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a sales funnel. It's like a internet marketing group. ClickFunnels. You can check it out. CLICK. ClickFunnels. FUNNELS. Now, this whole community that is there is designed in grabbing your attention with an amazing story, inviting you by giving you something free, like a free webinar, seminar, a free video, podcast, a book. Some of them even give you books. Okay? You have to pay for shipping. And then once they get you there, they will unconsciously or in a subliminal way try to sell you their course. They'll give you a course, 10 video course or whatever, for some amount of money. Normally it ends with $17, $27, $37, $47, $97. Okay, because it seems to be effective. Even I use the same strategy. My courses normally I charge end with $7. Okay, but I also give that because bank charges and all that. Okay, now I'll tell you now what is the problem. What is the problem? I myself am selling my services online. So these people are also selling their services online. So what is the problem? The problem is these individuals who are selling you this course or this service, they have not achieved what they are claiming to achieve. Like they'll tell you, achieve a 7-figure income, or you must have seen the ads, or they'll give you a backstory where they were poor. On Facebook, you can see these ads. I was poor, I was suffering. Like they'll divide the photograph into 2 parts. One part is very dull, they look sad, and they show that they are, having a bad time. The other photograph is bright, with an expensive car, a beautiful girl, or an exotic location. And the story, when you read it, it's a long write-up. I was an ordinary guy earning a 9-to-5 job and small salary, and I had only $800 in my bank, or $80, $100, whatever. But today I'm earning a 7-figure income, $10,000, whatever, per month. I have an automated system and they'll give you something. And finally, with this story, they'll give you 4 or 5 steps of their success. And it's always generic stuff like hard work, believe in yourself, never give up, dare to dream. The basic internet bullshit. Okay. I'll tell you where the problem is. The problem is this is a fake it till you make it phenomenon. It's like you're not successful, but you show the world you're successful. People take your service and then you somehow wriggle your way and give them some substandard content like 10 videos. Like I signed up for some of these courses. In fact, one of them, which I thought was legit, was Neil Patel. Even after all these years, I still fell for it. Imagine, I thought Neil Patel was legit because he used to give videos about SEO and internet. I really thought he was legit. Seriously, huh? I thought he was legit. $1,000 was his course, paid $1,000, and there I got access to, videos, something around 64 or 72 videos and all that. Each video is like with a slideshow, neatly done. It's around, each one is 1 hour, half an hour to 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour long, just imagine a lecture. So I was very happy. Okay, fine, all this good content, and it'll help me upscale my business and all that. I started to listen to it. Imagine I paid $1,000, huh? Okay, and obviously they say it's within this time it's going to expire, after the price is going to go up and all that. That FOMO, fear of missing out. After I listened to, I think, 18 videos, imagine 18 hours of listening, I saw my notes. To my shock and surprise, I had not written down a single point. 18 videos and not a single point. And do you know why? Because all the stuff that he mentioned in the videos and slides is stuff you can get it from a 9th standard book, in school, or 10th standard. What is marketing? What is sales? Always sell to your customer, offer value, go beyond expectation, all generic stuff. At some point I was like, what the fuck is this? After listening to all this, what the fuck are you telling me, man? That is where I realized, man, all these internet guys are fucking crooks, man. They're all fucking crooks. People ask me, Lloyd, why don't you make a course? You make a course on what? A generic course for what? Oh, how to be a personal branding strategist? What, do you want me to start creating competition for myself? That is why when I see these videos, I made a drop shipping business of $10 million or whatever, I'll teach you how to make 10 million. Tell me which businessman tells you all his secrets, all his trade secrets, everything. Tells you who's the supplier, where you can buy the product, whom you can sell it to, what is the pricing. I mean, if that is the case, why didn't Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Jack Ma, Warren Buffett reveal all their secrets? In fact, Grant Cardone, famous people in this space, Grant Cardone, Tai Lopez, all these, and I'm sure there must be so many internet marketers. In fact, if you go to Facebook, you'll see this group, ClickFunnels. Just search on Facebook, CLICK, ClickFunnels, FUNNELS. Now, what ClickFunnels wants to do is help you sell on the internet. They give you strategies that have worked over the years, like fear of missing out, FOMO. Oh, if you don't buy now, it's going to expire. Oh, this course is valued at $30,000, but I'll give it to you for $37. They'll give you all these strategies which have worked over the years. And if once you go into their sales funnel, they'll upsell you. Oh, would you like another $1,000 for free? $1,000 for just $2 more extra. So they want you to keep pushing the envelope a little bit more and spend a little bit more. Now, let me tell you, these techniques are good, they are effective. But the problem is, the way they are being used nowadays is terrible. It's absolutely a shame. I've been getting so many of these young boys and girls, who, if you look at them, I mean, they don't even look like they have experience, like 5 years experience working in the corporate world. 5 years. Okay. They don't have even 5 years experience, but on their Facebook banner, they'll claim how you can earn from $0 to $10,000 or $0 to $100,000 in in 10 days or 7 days, or how I'll help you create systems. They are trying to position themselves as a coach who will help you make money. And obviously, when you go to ClickFunnels, you'll see so many bloody stories, same format. They'll show you 2 photographs, okay, on a 800 by 800. It's like a square. Half will show you a sad guy, dull photograph. Other one will show you happy with an expensive car, with maybe a private jet at the back, a beautiful girl, or with money in their hands, and they look amazing. And then they'll write, I was poor, I was suffering 5 years ago. Today, I'm achieving my dreams. And then they'll say, believe in yourself, you can do anything. So obviously, people will be curious, fuck, how the hell did you do it? And then these bakras, victims, bakra is goat. Goat means who's going to go to get slaughtered. They send them a message, how did you do it and all that. Obviously, they'll suck them in. It's like a snake, waiting for the prey to come and he'll eat it up. So they invite you and say, okay, let's have a video or an audio call, or book an appointment, or they'll give you a video link, or they'll ask you, send me your email, I'll send you a link. Your email and your WhatsApp number, I'll send you a link, and you can see these 10 videos for free. In fact, nowadays people even give you a book, pay for shipping. I bought one of these. It is Sabri Subi of King Kong advertising or something. He makes claims that he has achieved billions of dollars, and he'll teach you the world's greatest secrets. I ordered that book. It's such a big fat book. I only paid for shipping. The whole book is nothing but shit. Utter fucking shit. Just Google search King Kong marketing or Sabri Subi or whatever his name is. He's great at marketing. He's great at marketing. But they'll make claims. I am earning billions of dollars. I'll teach you the secrets. What they're trying to do is get you in the sales funnel. Now, why am I sharing this with you? What is my gripe? Today we have so many boys and girls, men and women, who are doing this fake it till you make it thing, The problem is, fine, you can fool one person, you can fool 2 people, 3 people, but at some point you're going to run out of people to fool. And what people don't understand is what is shared on the internet stays on the internet. Once your reputation is blemished, you can't change it, man. Why do you think I have not made any course? Why do you think I'm not making any stupid claims and all that? Because people can download stuff, people can save screenshots. They'll come and bite you in the ass, man. In fact, I feel so, I don't know, I used to feel it funny. Today I'm feeling disgusted when I see any youngster, how you can earn 7-figure income, $100,000 per month, all that. Man, looking at your face and your bloody videos and your content that you're giving, I'll be surprised if you make even fucking $10 a month. Yeah. It's really sad. It's really sad. I mean, you're trying to live a virtual life. This Mark Zuckerberg's Meta. Trying to live a virtual life where you're successful, but in real life, you're a zero. And then obviously you get fake recommendations and fake people giving you testimonies. You can buy testimonies for money, $5, $10. Oh, his course was amazing. Oh, his coaching is amazing. Obviously, you'll ask me, Eloy, how can you know if they are real or fake? It's very simple. Check their content, what they are talking. Is he a guy sitting on a bloody plain wall with a chair with the echoing sound? Hey, hi guys, how are you? Today I'm going to tell you a secret about believe in yourself, never give up. Are they talking this kind of bullshit? Just ask yourself. A millionaire or a billionaire, is he going to talk this crap? Yes, there are one or two eccentric individuals who I know who have achieved billions or millions, and they do this. Well, they love the attention. But these kids and all that, they don't have anything, man. Just think. Why isn't Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Jack Ma, Warren Buffett, or let's say you think of any relative or friend of yours who is running a successful business, why isn't he giving a course on how to create the same business and become his competitor, destroy his business, take his customers away? Tell me which successful businessman will tell you who are his suppliers, what is the price he is buying things for, what is his margin. We live in strange times. We live in strange times where everyone is thinking, I can fool everyone and get away with it. And we need to stop this shit here. It's really sad that you see all these youngsters falling for this narrative. Oh, you know, Steve Jobs dropped out of college. Bill Gates dropped out of college. Oh, Elon Musk said, I don't care for a degree. Boss, listen. Steve Jobs, he was so smart. He got a place in Stanford. Bill Gates was so smart. He was at Harvard. Elon Musk's, these rocket ships and all that. It's not some Pani Puri wala or a guy who's, cleaning the road, designing his rockets. These are educated people. You think Tesla, the engineers are uneducated? School dropouts? Come on, man. Use your fucking common sense. The problem is you get idiots who have this selective bias and who will only think like idiots and expect you to take them seriously. My only request to you is for both the sides. One is, if you have seen such a course, please stay away from it. There is no such course in this world that is going to help you get rich. None. Okay? None. Nobody is going to give you a course of how to make money. Now, obviously, you'll say, Loy, what about you? Personal branding. Personal branding is how to market and sell yourself. Okay? And I give you my personal example of how I've done it. Step by step. I've never guaranteed, you can make 7-figure income, 10-figure. No, never. Are you fucking crazy? And I give measurable, tangible results. Like, for example, if I do a resume rebranding, you will get a new resume. If I do interview coaching, you will see the improvement of your interview coaching. We will have sessions one-to-one. Why do you think I never made any fucking course? Because you can't have one size fits all, man. Oh, tell me your strengths. One video, my strengths are this, say this. You think everyone can say the same answer? Common sense, is never common. That's a problem. So, like I was saying, my only request is if you're planning to go for any of these courses, please don't do that. You're only going to waste your money. However, if you have enough money to blow, go ahead and do it. At some point, you'll realize, fuck, I'm wasting my time, effort, and money. Like I give you the example, Neil Patel. I signed up for his course. I totally lost respect for the guy. Maybe, I'm sure he must have got 1,000 people signed up for his course. Fine, he made $100,000. Great. But what you have done is, once you lose your respect, finished. You can never get it back. And then if you are the person, on the other hand, if you're the person who's selling this course or trying to act like a coach, all that, just understand one thing. People are not dumb. You can't fool the world. And as you grow and become more popular, or as people start talking more and more, you will be exposed. And once you're exposed and the world knows about your drawbacks, and your reputation will be destroyed. And once it is destroyed, it can never come back to what it was. That is why I'm very careful what I say, what I put out, what I claim. You need to back it up. And in today's day and age, people are waiting for you to fail so that they can make a monkey out of you. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Am I making sense? Am I not? Love to hear your thoughts. You guys take care.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others or by a fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.